Hi friends, welcome to GSR Maths Academy. Today we are going to discuss about quadratic equations. In quadratic equation, exercise 5.2, second problem that we are discussing. Firstly, let us start with the question. Find the two numbers whose sum is 27 and product is 182. That means, what we have to do, we have to find out two numbers whose sum is 27 and product is 182. So, let us solve the solution of this. So, here as we mentioned that sum of two numbers is 27, then if you suppose first number as x, then second number becomes 27 minus x. And as for the question, product of these two, x into 27 minus x is equal to 182. Then x into 27, 27x minus x square gives you 182. Now, on transporting these all terms to the one hand of the equation, we write that 0 is equal to 182 minus 27x and plus x square. On the here and in this, we can write it as x square minus 27x plus 182 is equal to 0. This is the required equation. On solving this equation, that means the roots of this equation are the solution of this question. So, how to solve this question? That means, firstly, to solve this question, firstly we have to compare these with the standard form of quadratic equation. What is the standard form of quadratic equation? That is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. On comparing this, what we will get? We get the values of a as a 1 and b as a minus 27 and c as a 182. Now, here we have to observe the term b, value of b. What is the value of b? That is minus 27. And what is the value of c? That is 182. That means we have to find out two numbers whose sum is minus 27 and product is 182. That means we have to find out two numbers whose sum is minus 27 and product is 182. Then, that means, can we write minus 27 as the sum of two numbers whose product gives you 182 means? Yes, we can write a minus 27 can be written as minus 14 plus of minus 13. And whose product of these two is also is equal to 182. That means, these are the two numbers which satisfy this condition. That means, here we are going to solve this problem by using splitting middle term method. So, in splitting middle term method, what we have to do is, we have to split the middle term as the sum of two numbers whose sum gives you b and product gives you c value. Here, minus 27, we can write it as a minus 14 and minus 13. In the same manner, minus 27x can be written as minus 14x and minus 13x plus 182 is equal to 0. Let us try to solve this question. Now, if you observe this, in this equation, first two are one group, first two terms are one group, and second two terms are one group. In the first group, we can take x as a common. On taking x as a common from the first group, we left with an x minus 14. On taking minus 13 as a common in the second term, second group, then we will get a x minus 14 is equal to 0. Again, on observing this, we can say that x minus 14 is common in these two terms. Again, on taking x minus 14 as common, we left with an x minus 14 of x minus 13 is equal to 0. Now, as we got a product of these two terms is equal to 0 means either any one of it is equal to 0. That means either x minus 14 is equal to 0 or x minus 13 is equal to 0. If x minus 14 is equal to 0, then x is equal to 14 or x is equal to 13. Then if x is equal to 14 is 1. If x is equal to 14, then first number is what? What is the first number? X only, that is 14. Then second number is what? 27 minus x, that is 27 minus 14, that is 13. Then in the same manner, if x is equal to 13, then first number becomes 13, then second number is 14. In both cases, you will get the same solutions. So, what are the values whose sum gives you 27 and product is 182? That is 13 and 14. 13 and 14. Thank you friends for watching this video.